Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a bag. I have a plastic canvas that I got from Joanne. I have one for the back, which is 38 by 50 holes, and I got one for the front, which is 38 by 24. This one's for the bottom for 38 by 15. And I have two sides for 15 by 24. I'll be using Bernat Velvet Plus for this bag. This is super soft. I love this yarn, and I can stop showing you guys. It's upside down now. I'm using the hook size 2.75. I needed the hook to go through the plastic canvas hole, so I'm just using this size, but normally you'll need a bigger size for your other projects for this yarn. Now let's get started by finding the end of the yarn. I'm finding. Still finding. Oh my goodness, I can't find it. I'm literally struggling for like 5 minutes here. Oh, nope, not it. I found it! Okay, I've been struggling for a little bit, so I'm gonna take a water break in my favorite cup. And let's get started for reals this time. I'm starting from the second hole from the top and second hole from the right. I pull the yarn through the hole, skip a couple holes, pull the yarn again, skip a couple holes, pull the yarn again, skip a couple holes, and repeat. This is so soft, I love it already. I can't stop touching it. You just continue until you're done. If you guys can already tell, I'm just fast forwarding the video by 3 times so it goes faster and less boring for you guys. I just skipped it to the very last part so you guys don't have to waste your time. And now I pull the string all the way and cut it for the extra so I can tie it later. This is how it looks like when it's done, and like I said, super soft. I just can't stop touching it. Let's make another side. It's basically same thing over. In the meantime, like and subscribe. I have a Netflix on in the background, so the little flashing may appear during the movie, or I mean the video. Again, I skipped it to the end so you guys don't have to waste too much of your time. Pull, cut, and finish. Now the 2 sides are done. I'm going to be working on the bottom one now. This video is not a tutorial, it's just me showing you guys how I make my bags, so I'm just skipping around all the boring parts. It's super soft, I just can't say it enough. And it's time for the front part now. Skip! I'm using the burgundy color for this bag. I love it. It's good. Time for the back part. Skip! That's good. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to tie the end so it doesn't get loose. For all the extra yarn, I'm just going to use my hook to hide it under the thing. I'll be doing the same thing to all the extra yarns that I have. Same thing for the front part. And now the bottom part. Don't forget the sides. I totally forgot to put a D-ring for my chains. So sad. For the D-ring, I'm just going to pull out the yarn and hook it in the needle, and I'll just do my thing. This is how I put the thick yarn into the needle. If you guys want to see it in detail, just let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make a video of it. I'm just counting the holes to make sure the D-ring goes in the middle. And I'm just doing my thing, yada yada yada. Da 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 da. It's just way easier if you just put the D-ring first and then do the thing, but I just forgot, whatever. I'm struggling. Tie the extra yarn and hide. Same thing for the other side, and I just skipped it, like always. Now it's for the fun part where I have to connect all the canvas, plastic canvas, to make it into a bag shape. Yep. The important part for connecting the canvas is to make sure the holes are aligned correctly, because if you miss one hole and they're just slightly slanted, then you're screwed. You gotta start all over. I got the side and the front part connected. Now I'm just going to connect the bottom part. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Skip, skip, skip. It's starting to look a little more like a bag now. And now I'm going to connect the other side. And finally, it's time for me to connect the back part. And now I'm just going to fill in all the holes so there's no gaps showing. Skip, skip, skip. I'm just going to tie the end so it doesn't get loose. I know you guys can't see, but I'm just tying right now. We don't want the extra yarn to be showing, so I'm going to hide the yarn. And finish! I got this lock clasp from Amazon, and I'm just going to make sure it goes right in the middle. Double checking to make sure it's in the middle with my finger measurement. Now time to connect the bottom part. I'm just checking to make sure it's straight. And secure from the inside so it doesn't move. My last step is to connect the chains to the D-ring. I believe I got the gold chain from Michaels. Not too sure, not 100% sure, but I'm 90% positive. I normally make chains about 40 inches and I'm using my measuring tape. And now I just connect the chains to my D-ring. And I'm really finished! Finally finished! Can you guys just look at how pretty this bag looks? Oh my goodness, it looks better in person. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye!